TV. What's going on, guys? Angel here, Begin Crypto. Thank you guys so much here for joining me live today on this Sunday. Hopefully not too bloody Sunday. As you guys can see, I keep trying to make my setup a little bit different here in the YouTube studio. I used to have the laptop. Now I'm got rid of the laptop. Got a couple Bluetooth devices, so there's not so much going on in front of me. Now I just have the phone for my TikTok crew, and then I should be able to split this in two here like this, so you guys should be able to see me and the charts much better. I actually put a new battery in my my camera today, so that you guys can actually take a look at both here. But this is the Bitcoin chart. You're getting glitchy on YouTube. Hopefully I'm not anymore. Hopefully I'm not getting glitchy on YouTube. My network says connection 10 out of 10 again, so we should be fine. Gatwick Twin says, "Yo, my man, good to see you. Looking at Poo Coins and put 10K in. Any ideas? Not a huge fan." But what's up, crypto? Any ideas? El Salvador economy is in the billions. Yeah, that's definitely going to. That is definitely going to affect it. Like I said, there are probably a human. There's Rico. What's up, Rico? There's probably people in the world that have probably worth more than El Salvador. And I mean, yeah, like I said, is that big enough news for Bitcoin to pump? Not quite, but like I said, I think that's a step in the right direction, and I think it's a good foundational piece for Bitcoin. Like I said, I don't think that's the end all be all, and I don't even know that that a bunch of countries will actually adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. I'm not sure if that's going to be the case or not. I don't know if there's going to be another project that does that does that. But however, guys, like I said, that is bullish news, just not bullish to make it pump. But yeah, like I said, as Crypto Weatherman said, that is a very good point as well. El Salvador doesn't have a huge. They don't have, their economy is not huge. Like I said, he says in the billions. I'd actually have to take a look. I'll see how big they're. Yeah, their GDP is about 27 billion. Yeah, we have several billionaires with more money than El Salvador. And the other thing about El Salvador too, guys, is, what's good for El Salvador and a lot of other countries in that direction as well is that a lot of them are very cash heavy societies where they don't have a lot of digital. I don't think hardly anybody has bank accounts in El Salvador. Most people don't. It's a very, very cash heavy society. I'm going to go ahead and add something quick. Go ahead and do that. There we go. Refinable, not sure about it. Thoughts on Harmony? I still like Harmony, good tech. But like I said, it's just we all have to wait for Bitcoin. So as you guys can see here on the Bitcoin charts, we did break below that little support temporarily. Looks like we're heading back into the wedge here at 36.3. But there are plenty of reasons. Rico says El Salvador is cartel filled. Yeah, that plays a part too. There are so many things. El Salvador is all drug money, is what the real Ash Khan said as well. Yep. These are all valid. They don't have a ton of money. They're a cash full society. El Salvador is, like I said, cartel filled with drug money. Those are several reasons that really there isn't a huge pump yet either. It's great. Like I said, it's a great thing for Bitcoin. However, that isn't going to be the news that makes us bullish. If you guys didn't see my most recent TikTok, by the way, I had a little funny clip with Elon, and yeah, like I said, you guys should go check that out. Check out my last few TikToks. I was trying to be funny and creative. I know a lot of people like those style of TikToks, so go ahead and check those out as well. But like I said, honestly, guys, we are still waiting. We are still waiting for confirmation. Like I said, we broke down, but we went back in. We're back into this wedge again. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. There we go. Let me touch those points. There we go. But I'm not sure, guys, where we're going to go from here. I've never been so indecisive. Every single, look at this, guys. Every single chart looks the exact same. It's ridiculous. It looks the exact same. Well, I mean, Ethereum's looking pretty, it's looking pretty solid comparison, in comparison to Bitcoin. You buy anything right now, or are you waiting? I'm still waiting right now. I'm still waiting. Like I said, the only things I would buy are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink. Those are the only four that I'd be buying right now. Should I buy Shiba? I don't think you should buy Shiba. I don't think you should buy Shiba at all. That's just me. Trying to see if anybody else was on live. Nobody else is on live. But like I said, that is the, let me see. I'll go to else. Let me look up a few more. Square to invest $5 million to build solar-powered Bitcoin mining facility with Blockstream. That's pretty bullish as well. Big Jack Dorsey news as well. I mean, his quote was pretty on Twitter was pretty powerful. Let me see if I can find it. It's probably in this. There it is. And he was quoted saying, "Bitcoin changes absolutely everything. I don't think there is anything more important in my lifetime to work on." That's pretty bold. So, hey, buddy, I just joined. Can you do a quick recap on your topic? Sure, Bukat. Like I said, we were just quickly, Jack Dorsey loves Bitcoin. Yes, he does. Actually, I'll just flip it this way so you guys can kind of see what I'm looking at. I was looking at Jack Dorsey's. I'll move this over just a little more for TikTok. Square to invest $5 million to build solar power Bitcoin mining facility with Blockstream. Like I said, we were talking about that. But the other thing we were talking about, guys, was El Salvador. And we were talking about El Salvador and how much. Let's see what's that. Tim's forecast right now are like forecasting in Aruba, 85 and sunny every day. LOL, love him though. Yeah, fair enough. Like I said, I haven't checked them out recently. There's a good endorsement. Absolutely, that's a great endorsement. But Bukat, whoever asked me, I think Bukat asked me about what we were talking about. El Salvador has a tiny economy, and it's a very cash-heavy economy. Their GDP was about 27 billion compared to USA GDP. We're about 21.43 trillion. So we're literally way bigger. So there we are, 27 billion. So that doesn't even scratch the surface. So, and a lot of it's cartel. Chrissy Scott says Jack should block Elon on Twitter. No kidding. What do you think will happen tomorrow? Bitcoin at the edge of the wedge right now. Yes, I'll go back to that as well so you guys can see that. There's theta. That's cool. There we go. There's the wedge. This is actually Ethereum wedge right here. I got MarketCipher running. Let's see. Boom, right there. We're at 36.18, but yeah, we are right at the bottom of this here. We are flirting with the support. We broke down, but we're right again here at this support. So thoughts on Harmony One right now? Like I said, I still think it's a solid time. As long as we're not in the bear market, I don't think it's a bad time to still accumulate some Harmony. But I'd be at least careful about buying it right now. That's just my opinion. But you guys can see here, like I said, we built this support and resistance here. As you can see, right here, we are at support. Let me see if I can add. Let's see if we can find any. Get rid of MarketCipher for a second and go to RSI. See if we can see any divergences or anything weird like that. Looks like we got the RSI up. Nothing weird here. Lower, lower, higher, higher, higher. Then this is the Elrond tweet right here. Higher, lower. Yeah, not much. There's really not much. We're still here at 45, right around 45. We're almost in the middle at 50. I mean, it's really just ugh. Thoughts on Sol? I like Sol. I like a lot. Good advice. Thank you, Ethereum. Flipping will happen this year. I actually think there's a really good shot for it too, especially with as weak as Bitcoin at least is looking right now. But in the same breath, I don't think we've had that blow off top. That blow off top for all these altcoins. Also look at the short. Yep, it's not a buy time right now. Support has been broken. Yep. I'm not buying anything but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Chainlink, and I'm only doing that strategically, guys. I'm only doing that strategically. So with that, boom. I'm gonna look at some shorter time frames. I'm on the 4 hour here. This is the 1 hour. And we're right at 50% on the 1 hour. So like I said, it's really just neck and neck. Good advice. You're really good, man. Freddie says, I appreciate that a lot. Will Bitcoin hit 30K? It has the possibility to hit 30K. And I think that's the support line. I think, where did I draw all my stuff? Did I draw it on Coinbase USD? Maybe I did. Let's see. Yep. So as you guys can see here, I drew my lines and all of that. This is on the 1 hour chart. But if we see this dip, this was my bear. Oops. Oh no. Now I'm button mashing. There we go. But if you guys see right here, yeah, that 30K here actually, where is my? Just under 30K. Yeah, this 29.9. I really think this is a bull bear line right there. I think if we break, we could flash crash slightly below it. Good, Rob. How are you? I think we could flash crash below it and be okay. But if we're going to go ahead and sit at 20 or 25K, bull run's over. That's my opinion. I don't think we can crash down to low 20s and still be in a bull run. I just don't think it would happen. Like I said, I think we're going to go, my opinion right now, guys, is I think we're going to stay going sideways here a little bit. 34.9, very bullish here, move to this 36.4 and just trending sideways here. But like I said, what coin will you buy if Bitcoin goes to 30K? Depends. Like I said, I want to see it bounce off support. So I'd like to see it bounce up to 31, 32-ish before I buy Bitcoin. I wanted to see some confirmation to the upside. So like I said, when you see these bounces off support, I mean, this would be a good time. This would have been a good time to buy at 33 because you would have been rolling here for a few days all the way up to about 39 if you're a short-term trader. Over the course of 4 days, that would have been a good move. It bounced right off right off this support, and as you see a pretty steep move to the upside. You probably can't see that because I'm probably zoomed in a little too close, but that's what you guys want to look at. Do I dump Doge if I got in at 4 cents? Like I said, I would wait for maybe a little more confirmation of this bear market. But like I said, if you're in Bitcoin right now, I would be seriously watching this, at least on the 4-hour chart. I don't think you should be too far in there, too close, but I think watching this 4-hour wedge is going to be really, really important for you guys. Like I said, I think if we're in the bull market still, guys, Doge could still hit over $1. So let me get the chat rolling. Let's put this up here. Evanson Barak says, what is a divergence? Sure, I can show you guys what a divergence is. Let me go back to the charts again. So a divergence, let me scroll back. We'll find one. A divergence is when you see right here, we found one. I'll show you guys right here. So as you guys can see, probably a little bit hard for you to see if I zoom in just a little bit. You guys will be able to see a little bit better. You guys can see this trend right here, okay? See how that is a downward trend. Let me go to a better color. About like, can you see that? If you guys can see that, that's fine. So the divergence, you see from a low to a lower low down this way. If you go down here to the RSI, you guys can see that in the RSI, that exact same formation on the RSI looked from a low to a lower low, but on the RSI, it went from a high to a higher high. So that's what you call a divergence. The price is going down, but the RSI is moving up. That's when you normally see, you would call this you would call that a divergence. That's a bullish divergence, what you would call, because you see that the price is going down, but the RSI is going up. So the indicator is telling you it's going up. The price is showing you a downward movement. So normally when when those are opposite, when you see trends on the RSI versus the price that are opposite on the charts, that's what you call a divergence. And as you can see, almost every time this happens, you can see a massive move to the upside. So you saw this here, you saw this divergence, and then right from this divergence here, you saw a move all the way up to the upside that didn't stop until right there, which is a 41% move to the upside. 41% move to the upside, just from right there, as you guys can see, from this top here to where the divergence started. So that's a really, really, really good way to find some bullish scenarios, especially for people who do leverage trading, long, short, etc. If you guys want to try to find these divergences, you guys will certainly make some, it'll help you make some money here. So let's see. I don't see another one here. Oh, there you go. I actually found another one already. So you can see here. And then you go here. And then what happened right after this divergence? An absolute explosive move to the top again. So you see the bottom here, and you move all the way up. Another 29% move to the top side from 29 to 38. So you guys can see these divergences and find them using the RSI. You can also do that with the MACD as well. But you guys can do that as well. But I want to show you guys that stuck in the Bermuda Triangle. Yeah, that's exactly where we're at. Let's go back to our Bermuda Triangle. This never-ending wedge. This never-ending wedge is really, really important for everybody on TikTok, YouTube, etc. to watch, because like I said, this is going to show us where we're moving. Like I said, this is a psychological. Where is Angel in his analysis? Oh, thanks. Is that Love Dolly Parton? Thank you very much. Like I said, I was just talking about where Bitcoin's heading, just showing where the support level is at. We broke it. Now we're heading back into the wedge, but this wedge feels never ending. So Rico's been out of the market, he said, for a couple of weeks. He's lost so much in the last 10 days. Yeah, that'll happen. Like I said, if you don't stay in the market, if you guys don't stay in the market, you guys can get caught missing some value. And that's why I want to be on here every day, even on Sundays, if I can help you guys. Trying to move that a little bit better for there we go. There you go. You guys can see that as well. If we break the wedge downward, what will the next level of support be? The next level of support will be let me see if I can look on the day chart. This next level of support will be in this 33. There, touch 1, 2, 3, 4, and then touch twice, 3 times here. Then the last support, I think, for this bull run to continue is right there at 29, at this 29, what is this, 29.1. That's it right there. So like I said, you see this wedge. I know it's pretty small to see, at least on the day chart. But as you guys can see, that wedge right here, if we go ahead and break out of this wedge down this way, we could see a support at 33 and bounce back. We could see a support at this 29.1 and bounce back. But I think if we break below this 29.1, it's over. That is just my opinion. So weekends are for wimps. Yeah, like I said, there's not usually a ton of volume either on the weekends. Hopefully we can stay fairly undamaged, unscathed. But honestly, if we break below that 30 line, much below that 30 line, in my opinion, I think it's over. I don't think the bulls are going to let that happen. So I think we're in good spirits. You can't rely merely on TA to determine the fate of the entire market. That is actually true, because there are fundamental things as well. Like you can't do TA for Elon's tweet. You can't do TA for the effects of El Salvador or Tesla or Facebook or any of them buying. TA just shows, TA is like a language of cryptocurrency and stocks and all of that. It's a language. And if we're all speaking the same language and we all see the same things in the same charts and we all identify the same patterns, then you could I actually think it's nice for people who believe in TA. And I think you want people to believe in TA, because it'll help you a little more to predict what could happen, or the two possible scenarios, so you can react to both of them and have a plan. Because if we're all speaking the same language and everybody's reacting to the charts, essentially, we'll be good then. That's just my opinion. So Tesla can buy another 1 billion in Bitcoin at 28. I mean, fair enough. Facebook has its own crypto. Yeah, I think they're trying to. I think it's called like Libra or something. Libra, I think it is. But that's a thought. Why did they? Yeah, crypto utility. Good to see you in the house as well. But like I said, you can't determine everything on TA. But like I said, it's the language. I'll go back to me here. It is the language. The language that we all speak. Yeah, Libra. Yep. Libra is right. Sell Bitcoin, it'll go to 20K. It's a bull trap. Market will crash. Thank you, Insider from 4chan. Thank you, Insider. But Bitcoin's still going to 250. I believe it will. I'm in the 250, 275 So no, don't sell. Yes, absolutely, Rico. Thank you for doing that. Honestly, market's been exhausted due to whales. Interest is quite disappearing. And in my opinion, there's a huge percent a bear for months. We'll see. Like I said, there's always something that, just like, I mean, we saw the inverse, guys. Just like you thought there was nothing that could possibly stop us, guys. You thought there was nothing that could possibly stop us from our bull market, from being so bullish. We were running 54, 58, 60, 64. We were running. And you were thinking there was nothing that could possibly stop us. And then there was an Elon tweet. So there's that. Like I said, expect the unexpected, guys. Expect the unexpected. Tesla will announce that they'll start mining when the price drops. No kidding. They're going to start mining. I know Jack Dorsey, like I said, that was the news that we pulled up right here, guys. This was the news that we pulled up right here, that Jack Dorsey is investing in $5 million to build some solar-powered Bitcoin mining facilities. So that'll be pretty bullish. That will be pretty bullish as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at some more news while we're down here. Let's take a look at the latest. Is it worth buying one Bitcoin now or wait? Like I said, I think we're moving. I think we're going to move eventually. So I think having a Bitcoin is not a terrible idea regardless. Oh, I missed the news. I was saying that was just my thoughts. Yes. Dolly, love Dolly. That is awesome. No worries. Will Bitcoin go to 250, 275? Will increase the price of all crypto and cause all-time highs for many coins? Yes. A lot of times the altcoins follow what happens with Bitcoin. And that's kind of why all the charts look the same for the most part right now, is because a lot of altcoins follow Bitcoin. Rough return Bitcoin investment into a $1.1 billion profit in 5 months. As you can see, Bitcoin mining there. Musk crypto tweets destroyed lives. Anonymous says a hacker group targets Tesla CEO. Eek. Polygon Matic token ended May up 120% despite Bitcoin's crashing price. That's true. President of El Salvador says he's submitting a bill to make Bitcoin legal tender. We just saw that. Let's see. I wanted to read a little bit more about that. As of now, El Salvador is said to be the first Bitcoin country, Mahler said, and the first country. Let's see if I can zoom in a little more so you guys can read it if you'd like. There. Hopefully you guys can try to read that if you want. Inflation angst. Bitcoin is decentralized, hard cap, stateless. Decade-old currency would appear to fit the criteria. El Salvador's plan sits in stark contrast and competing visions of money gaining traction among central banks. The El Salvador experience. Strike, a payment app that's built on Bitcoin's Lightning network, has been on the ground in El Salvador this year. Onboarded about 20,000 Salvadorans. He said Zap will be opening a headquarters in Salvador, partnership with Blockstream coming. So good news. But like I said, in the same breath, a lot of dirty money there. Not a huge economy in itself. Hey, Angel, can I toss a thought your way? I saw a smart video and don't know if it was yours, but sure, go ahead. Love to know. Rico's telling everybody hold for a while. That's exactly what you got to do, Rico. I want to make sure that I'm not neglecting my YouTube peeps as well. How do we know that the breakout is real? You'll see some high volume. It'll break some certain spots, as you guys can see on the charts here still. That's a really big support. 42,000. Mahler's was excellent yesterday. Watched him in a stream through Brianna. Worthwhile listen. I'm going to listen to that sometime today. Dolly, if you want to send that thought my way, go ahead. That's what we're looking at here. The one about Brad had AOL and it teaches you about the internet crypto, but then ICP will be. I'm not a huge fan of ICP. That's just me. You don't think XRP will pump? You don't think XRP a pump and dump? No, I don't think it's a pump and dump necessarily. I'm just not a huge fan of the fundamental. Like I just fundamentally don't agree with the leadership and how they treat XRP holders. You know what I mean? They have responsibilities with Ripple as well. So, like I said, I think sometimes that, you know, they're most worried about their profitability of Ripple, and sometimes that's dumping XRP on their holders. So, Love Die Part says, okay, thank you, appreciate that. Thank you guys for following and sharing the live as well. I'm not done yet, but make sure you guys go ahead and join us on YouTube as well. Join us on YouTube, please. Join us on YouTube. I would love it. XRP's got their own army that they do. The only army that I think is almost as strong is the Cardano army, the ADA army, because ADA is pretty deep as well. If there's any projects that you guys want me to look at, they're really looking the same, but I'll go ahead and look. If you guys want me to actually look at XRP, I'll look at XRP. But regardless, I'm not huge on them on XRP. But like I said, I think with what they have going on here with the SEC, I think pretty decent resistance. But like I said, they're in the middle. They're in their little a little triangle themselves. I think a breakout to the upside past $1, $4, $5. I think they hit $1, $8, $9 back here. But in order to break up into higher highs, they're going to officially have to be at this, you know, $1.11, right up to, yeah, $1.10-ish, right up here to break for the breakout. If we see a massive breakout, you guys could see a break up to this $1.60-ish range. If we see a breakdown to the downside in this bull market, I think would essentially be over if Bitcoin does what it's supposed to do. I think you guys could see a dip back down to as low as its old support resistance at about 39 cents. So that'd be terrible. So people think XRP is going to hit 10K to 30K be a risk, 10 to 30K price. Oh no chance. No chance. I think they said all of the money, if with their current supply and all that, I think all of the money in the world, it could only get to like 500 or $600. So, cryptocurrency channel. Yep, we're crypto. Sorry, I don't know if anybody was looking at getting stock advice here, but no stocks here. No stocks here. Sorry, I'm not good with the old stocks. You can find plenty of other people that are better. We do crypto over here. So let's look at, somebody asked me VeChain. We hold some VeChain, so there we go. There's our support line there. We saw a quick little wick up to 15 cents, which would be the breakout spot, but we're still in this upward trending wedge here. Like I said, it could be a massive, massive move for VeChain. Let me go ahead and grab that. Where's that? We could see a smash to the upside of about back up to that 23 cents, where we were hanging out before, or we could see a downside back down to about 4 cents, which would be near that where it was about like the support level of January, February. So that'd be pretty bad. So is this TradingView? Yes, this is TradingView. Market manipulation is way bigger than we think. How do you feel about ADA and ETH? I feel really good, really good about ADA. I actually feel good about ETH too, but I feel really good about ADA. Like I said, if you guys missed our TikTok, one of our most recent TikToks, the Cardano ecosystem is going to explode. Let's go ahead and look. Let's go ahead and take a look at some projects in the Cardano ecosystem. There's a couple cool little charts. I'll zoom in. I believe I'll be able to show you guys here on, I'll go like this on the stream so you guys can see. Let's see if we can see. See if I can click into this, wherever the site is, and see if I can blow this up a little more for you guys. Oh, it's on, there we go. And then I'll be able to go like this. We'll start over here. This is the ecosystem that they're working with. Like that. See if I can back this bad boy out a little bit so you guys can still see. Let's go to, so here's some infrastructures for security. In payment, you guys can see here, we have Cody, we have Meetaps. I don't know what this is. Now here, I'll try to go back to there. That's probably a little bit better, easier to see for everybody. Obviously, Cody, we obviously know about Cody. There's a lot of blockchain labs in education. Here's all the exchanges. Here's some of the community tools. Let's go. Where's the Project Catalyst startups here? Here's some of the startups. Sempo, Quigley, some of the deployments. New Balance. They're going to try it. Scan Trust. Some layer 2 solutions over here. Prism, Scan Trace, Capital, Bondly. I know made a partnership. Let's move over for you guys. As you guys can see here, some of the, like I said, the DeFi markets here. You see Wave, Gentwo, you see Bondly, you see Celsius over here as well. Strategic partners, Singularity Network, Vacuum Labs, Binaries. So like I said, Celsius Network obviously as well. Obsidian, obviously the exchanges, their payment platforms, APay. I think that's Alpha Pay if I'm not mistaken. Cody, some funding obviously in Cardano Foundation, Wave. But like I said, you want to look at this ecosystem, guys. You want to make sure you guys take a really hard look at this ecosystem. Because I think Alpha Frontier, I think there's a lot of projects coming that'll be able to connect with, with Cardano, where you guys can make and find a lot of money. Wolfram Alpha, Ergo, the core organizations, which you can see there as well. But like I said, do your research, guys. Do your research. Let's go back to campaign minus. So I think the ecosystem is going to be very strong. I completely agree as well. There. Back out of that. And back to the charts here. We are. But like I said, I would be really watching that Cardano. Good luck with winner. 8 is a winner, chicken dinner. 8 ecosystem is going to be pretty solid. Paralysis by too much information. Yeah, sorry. Like I said, sometimes I get a little wordy. That's just me. What are your thoughts on Dorsey speaking at the conference when he's censoring on Twitter? Yeah, it is kind of annoying, like I said. But in the same breath, he likes Bitcoin. So that's all we can do is hold on to that. I also wanted to talk about something too, guys. I saw it this morning. I like I said, I like both creators. I like Blockchain Boy. I'm already on YouTube. Love Dolly Parton. I'm already on YouTube, so I'm already streaming there as well. But I want to talk quickly about some. I want to see if anybody's live. Nobody else is live. I'm the only guy on Sunday going live for you guys. So here's what it is. But what I wanted to talk about was this little beef between Taylor Mitchell and Blockchain Boy. It's just really hard to watch. It's really hard to see. If you guys want the skinny, like I said, I'm not for drama. I'm not about drama at all. And that's why I want to address it. Skinny version, Taylor Mitchell posted something about SafeMoon a long time ago. Blockchain Boy stitched it. And he was, shown spitting. But he was spitting about SafeMoon, not about her. And then Blockchain Boy recently, yesterday at the Bitcoin Miami, he shot a video about empowering women in crypto, which is good. I think we need to do that as well. Empower more women. But it kind of turned into a feud where Taylor Mitchell's like, how about you, quit just helping some women and all of that and embrace all women, whatever. So there's a kind of a spout back and forth. And then Crypto Wendy just posted as well. I commented on Crypto Wendy, made a rap song dissing her and dropped it in her Discord, bro. Oh my goodness. I liked him for 10 minutes yesterday. Then Taylor, I was like, yeah. So that got really sticky. And like I said, I'm not about that TikTok drama at all. I'm not about drama in life at all. I got too much going on and all that. But what I wanted to say is, guys, don't get caught up in all of that drama. I like Blockchain Boy. I like Taylor. There's no reason that we have to work against each other. Obviously, Elon and all these other people, let's keep all that drama out of crypto. Cody says, yeah, absolutely. Keep all that drama out. Let's empower women. I want to empower women. I also want creators to do well. Kiera says Blockchain Boy is toxic. I love both of them. I like both of them a ton. That's why I hate seeing it. Exactly. I'm about making money. That's exactly it. Like I said, we have enough enemies, guys. That's what I want to end with today. We have enough enemies. Enough people hate crypto already. Enough people hate Bitcoin already. Enough people don't believe us already. Enough people think we're moon boys and girls. They think all these things. But Crypto Wendy, there's drama in crypto. Of course there is. Oh, Rico, I love it. But Crypto Wendy put out a really awesome response. And go ahead and check Wendy's response. She's kind of she's crypto TikTok mom. That's what I tweeted on her, or I commented on her picture. She's kind of the crypto TikTok mom. And she kind of gave a really level perspective, like, yeah, he's kind of like, yeah, that's not the best approach. And she's kind of like, yeah, but Taylor, he wasn't going at you directly, kind of thing. He's going at SafeMoon. She kind of tried to squash the beef. But like I said, I'm out here. I don't want any of the beef. I'm really not about that. I do like Taylor. I've been live with her before. I haven't been live with Blockchain Boy yet, but I like Lucas. I like Blockchain Boy as well. I think they both have great creatives in the space. But like I said, don't listen to any of that, guys. We need to work together. Make sure you guys are positive. Anybody that's following me, I want to make sure that you guys are positive. We're not playing any of that stupid stuff. We're not doing all that drama. We're about making money. We're about being together. We're about being positive, growing the community in the best way possible. And if that's not about you, I don't even want that. Crypto conference was cringy AF. Yeah, I'm solid. I like Taylor too. Like I said, we're all the same, whether we're males or females that support each other and as the others. Yep. Like I said, there's enough people to hate on us. Teamwork makes the dream work. Crypto Nutshell says yes. Annette says truth. Absolutely. Like I said, we need to work together. And like I said, if you're a part of any of their ecosystems, if you're a part of any of their discords and all that, spread positivity and say it's from me. Like I said, say it's from me. Anybody, like I said, you guys can comment and at me in comments or videos of anything that's negative. Like I said, I'll shut that down. I'm gonna try to be the king of positivity in the TikTok space. Like I said, I hate that stuff. So like I said, me and Tim, I like guys like Tim as well. Me and Tim don't want the drama. We just want the best for cryptocurrency. So, dude, I'd like to do a live with you and bounce ideas off each other. Yeah, we could do that sometime. I'm gonna probably wrap it up here. But like I said, I don't know if I follow. Do I follow you yet? Here, I follow you now. Crypto Hussar, I follow you now. So sometime here soon we can go live. So, but like I said, I wanted to end with that, guys. I live outside the United States. It's a good exchange and wallet for a starter. Outside of the United States, probably Binance. I like Trust Wallet as well. So I follow you, Crypto. We can talk a little bit later. Absolutely. Let's all be positive. And like I said, if you guys have any questions about any videos you guys see in cryptocurrency, please tag me. I love when I'm tagged in other people's posts because I want to be able to see all these, what's going on in the space. And I want to see if there's beef. I want to see if there's good posts. I want to see if there's bad posts. I want to see, like I said, tag me in any video that you guys think I should see, and I will be there and I will comment and I will give you guys my feedback and or the feedback that needs to be given. And I will hopefully try to squash any beef. Like I said, I love Taylor, love Lucas. So I think they're both awesome creators. So until next time, guys, Angel here, Begin Crypto. Thank you guys so much. Happy Sunday. I will be going live again here on Monday. Is the altcoins going down or up? They're all going to follow Bitcoin, Jen. They're all going to follow Bitcoin. So quick, Mayweather or Logan Paul? Ooh, Mayweather. You obviously know. Mayweather is a bad man. Mayweather didn't get touched by professionals. Not to say that Logan's not a professional, but he ain't a professional yet. He's got no chance. They're good. They had Mike Tyson on Logan Paul's podcast. Very, very interesting perspective. And Mike Tyson said you're going to get worked. And the reason that he said that Logan Paul's going to get worked is that nice stream. Rico says thank you, man. Appreciate you. Peace, brother. Thank you, Donnie. But like I said, Tyson said Logan's going to get worked. And the reason is Floyd Mayweather, he has no vice. He doesn't have a vice. This man eats, sleeps, trains boxing, even in retirement. This man, he lives it. He's got his own gym and all of that. So, Annette says, thanks for the info and the positive vibes. Absolutely. That's what I'm going to, that's what you guys come here for. So that's what you guys come here for. Like I said, try to bring positivity to all parties involved. Don't get his vice is gambling. Yeah, you're right. His vice is gambling, but he can do that. He can do that outside of fighting. Like I said, he was gambling while he was fighting, so he just make another fight so we'd have some more millions. But like I said, the only thing that dude does gamble and train. He doesn't do anything else. So Logan is massive. Logan is tough. Angel, look after yourself today and stay blessed. You are brilliant. Thank you so much, guys. As always, Angel, Begin Crypto. Talk soon. Peace. Thank you guys on YouTube. Thank you guys on Theta TV. As always, I appreciate everybody who joins us here every single day live. Till next time, join us tomorrow. Angel, Begin Crypto.